Timing is key to the success of a company or product. If a product is introduced too early, the market isn't ready for it. If it is introduced too late, the market is already saturated with competition. The timing within the security industry is exactly right for Blue Box products and services, and here is why. Since the 1970s, the security industry experienced fundamental shifts in underlying technologies roughly every 15 years, in step with the evolution of computing technology. The mainframe computing of the 70s gave way to client-server and Ethernet architecture in the 80s and 90s, and to data centers and Internet in the first decade of 2000. During the same time frame, software went from DOS and BASIC to C programming, then to Windows and .NET. Security credentials went from Magstripe to Wiegand to Prox cards. Video evolved from the video cassette recorder to the digital video recorder, and then to the network video recorder. And that is where the technology sits today in the security industry. However, the security industry is 10 years behind the way people do business today in most other industries. The smartphone is the device of choice, not the desktop computer. The cloud is the provider of information, not the server sitting in the IT room, and everything is delivered as a service on any device, anywhere, at any time. So, the security industry should have evolved to cloud and wireless. Mobile devices should be replacing laptops, and people should be using browsers on the web and running unified applications. Credentials should be evolving to biometrics, the network video recorder to video as a service, and the entire industry should be moving to a security as a service business model. But this has not happened yet, and this is the gap in the security industry, and the opportunity for Blue Box. Bridging the gap is challenging and requires fundamental shifts in technology, a complete rewrite of the security software offerings, new equipment to support them, and a new way of offering the product to the clients and then supporting it. Industry conferences and consultants are full of buzz on how to do it, but cost, time, lack of experience and know-how, plus the desire to preserve the installed base have created a huge bottleneck and delayed the progress the customers require. This has provided Blue Box with an estimated 3-year head start over the competition. Blue Box's opportunity and mission is to bridge the gap now before anyone else and provide the leading cloud-based, mobile-first, as-a-service solution and thereby change the industry. Blue Box has everything working in its favor to be successful. A gap in the market that needs to be filled. End-user demand for security products that fit the way we live and work. The technology and a product offering that meets market needs for the next 15 years. A substantial head start over the competition with the product and business model. A high barrier to entry for the competition, and Blue Box's increasing product velocity. And a team that has already developed and brought a similar product and service to the security market. It is for these reasons that we say the market timing for Blue Box and its products and services is exactly right. This concludes our review of Blue Box's timing to market. You can select an additional topic in the playlist.